Good morning, class. Okay, let's get started with our calendar time, shall we? All right. So we are in the month of April. We have been in the month of April for a long time now. So go watch your Jack Hartman video, months of the year video, your April song. Only a couple more days for that song, then we get a brand new song. So now that you're back, let's count all of our days and figure out what today is. Ready? Lots of numbers to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, and then we got to figure out what comes next. Let's see if we can figure out what comes after 27. Is it 28 or 29? 28 or 29? Which one? It is 28. Good job. All right, let's see if we can't tilt the screen a little bit so we can see and do our days of the week. All right, here we go. And as you know, we are still in the season of spring. All right, so let's work on today's day. Today is, sometimes when we don't have regular school and a regular schedule, you can get kind of lose track of the days. So it's good that we do this every day. All right, so is today Monday or Tuesday? Monday or Tuesday? It is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. That means yesterday was Sunday or Monday? Sunday or Monday? Yesterday was Monday. Great job. All right, so we have our yesterday and our today. We still need our tomorrow. So yesterday was Monday. Today is Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday or Thursday. Wednesday or Thursday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. Great job, guys. All right, go watch your days of the week in English and Spanish and come right on back, and we will wrap it up with our weather reports. Okay, so today is going to be 81 degrees and partly cloudy. Tomorrow is going to be 82 degrees. It's going to storm again. Some rain again. Are y'all sick of the rain? I know Miss Peffer's sick of the rain. But Miss Peffer just planted a garden, so the garden needs the rain, so I guess it's a good thing. All right, let's look at our temperature first. So today and tomorrow, it's going to be right here, right above 80. Now, this is the warm, this is the hot. Look where 80 is. Are we still in the right place for temperature? Yeah, we're up here in the hot for temperature. So, which one of these pictures shows hot? Is it this one or this one? It is this one. Good job. All right, so it's going to be hot those days. But the weather is going to be different. Today I need to put partly cloudy, and tomorrow I need to put stormy. So tell me, which one do I put up for today? This one or this one? This one or this one? It is this one, partly cloudy. That means the other one is stormy, and it will go up for tomorrow. Now, our Bronco weather guy is dressed appropriately for hot weather. We need his shades today because there's going to be some cloud cover. He has his baseball hat on, so that's probably good enough. But otherwise, he is dressed for the weather. So we are all done with our calendar time. Let's review, and then we'll be done. Today is Tuesday, April 28th, 2020. We are in the season of spring. And yesterday was Monday, and tomorrow will be Wednesday. It is hot outside today and hot tomorrow, but today the weather is going to be partly cloudy, and tomorrow it's going to storm. All right, I enjoyed my time with you this morning. I will see you again tomorrow. Bye, guys.